Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I picked up the LG G8 ThinQ. I want to shout out T-Mobile for sending this to me early. It is Tuesday, April 9th, and it doesn't come out until the 12th. So shout out T-Mobile for sending this out to me early. In this video, we're just going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to show you the phone, go over the specs. Let's see what you get in the box. Then I will come back with my first impressions and initial setup like I normally do on my channel. So let's get into this unboxing really quick. Check out the box. Yes, it's kind of boring. Bam, T-Mobile. Let's gotta have the lucky boxing knife here. So you get your little fiber cloth LG. Here's the phone itself. Bam. Ooh, I got the red. What else you get in the box? LG 2-year warranty. Some books and stuff. Probably a SIM injecting tool is in there. Get a white charging brick. Why can't it give me a red or a black one? And you also have the USB Type-C charging cable. Alright, so that's what you get in the box. No case, no headphones still from LG, which is kind of boring, but it is what it is. Y'all don't come for the box itself. Y'all really come here for the phone. Alright, so here's the phone itself. Bam. Let's unwrap this thing really quick. Let me take off the stickers in the back. Alright, so here's the phone. Look at that red. Yes, I got the Carmine red, and it also comes in black. Yes, I got it from T-Mobile, $619 at the taping of this video. Yes, you have some branding on the back, LG G8 ThinQ. Bam, and it has some weight to it too. But let's go over the phone really quick. At the top, you have a microphone, bam. At the bottom, you have your headphone jack, the USB Type-C, a microphone, and also the speaker. On the top, you have the cameras. On the right-hand side, you have the power button and also the SIM card slot. On the left-hand side, you have the volume rockers, and also you have the Google Assistant button. Bam. And then on the back, yes, you have the fingerprint scanner and the two cameras. The cameras are flush with the back. Look at that. Bam. Alright, so while this is starting up, let's go over the specs really quick too. Let's make sure it has power. Now on this phone, you have a 6.1 inch OLED Quad HD display. Yes, they put an OLED display on the G series for the first time. LG decided to keep the notch on the front. They didn't do the pinhole cutouts or the slot cutouts like Samsung did. What y'all think about that? Look at the notch. 2019. I don't know. Was that a smart move with LG? I guess we're gonna find out. The resolution on the screen is 3120 by 1440 with 564 ppi if you care about that. The ratio is 19.5 by 9. Now, the phone comes with 128 gigs of storage. Also 6 gigs of RAM. You have 3500 milliamp hour battery in here. It's running Android 9.0 straight out the box. It has the Snapdragon 855 processor in it. Yes, you're getting all this for T-Mobile right now for $619. There's 3 ways you can unlock the phone now. You have the fingerprint scanner, which we're looking at now. Also on the front with the new setup, you have 3D face unlock. And then also you have the new technology, which we will get into the next video, the hand ID. Yes, this phone can read the veins in my hands and unlock the phone. Is that a gimmick? I guess we're going to find out in upcoming videos, but it can read my veins in my hand. It also has controls where you can control the volume and everything else on this phone. I might do a separate video just on that feature. On the rear, you have 2 cameras on the rear. You have a 12 megapixel standard lens and then also a 16 megapixel wide angle lens. Yes, LG did keep the wide angle lens, even though everybody's copying them now. Now, on the front camera, you have an 8 megapixel camera, but then you also have the time of flight camera up here too, which lets you do the hand ID and also the hand controls. Bam, what you think about that? Also, I don't know if I can get close enough. Do you see an earpiece? Nope, because this has the crystal OLED display, which sounds comes from the display and then also the boombox speakers. So we will definitely put this against the Galaxy S10 Plus to see how these speakers sound. That's the first thing I want to test out too, is how good you can hear on this phone when you're making regular phone calls. The phone has Bluetooth 5.0 if you care about Bluetooth connectivity. Also, it has the headphone jack. It has the 32-bit DAC system in there. So the sound that you get from the headphone should be great, like normally with LG phones. Okay, let's do some comparisons really quick. I'm filming with my G7, so I can't compare it with the LG G7, but I do have my Galaxy S10 Plus. Man, the S10 Plus is definitely taller. They're about the same width. Let's see. The G8 is a little bit thicker. Look at the bottom. Bam. Let's try the Moto G7. Look, the Moto G7 is taller too. This phone, the G8, is a small phone. Bam, look at the sides and also the bottom. Last phone that I have to compare, look at these two beauties. Bam, which red do you like more? The Carmine red or the red from Yumi Digi? Now these phones, look, the G8 is still not as tall. Look at the sides. Bam. But again, which red do you like? They both look great, don't they? Okay, everyone, so that pretty much wraps up the video. I just want to do a quick unboxing. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm going to have my first impressions and also the initial setup video. Show you how easy it is to use Hand ID and how fast it is to unlock your phone using the Hand ID. Also, let me know in the comments what other types of videos you want from this phone. Gaming reviews, speaker tests, whatever y'all want. Let me know. I will definitely try to do them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the LG G8 ThinQ. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.